Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to the community of TBCians. Yeah, this is Alan Luwayende, also known as Safaya Joa, one of the many voices of TBC. Yeah, we are all set again for the day's job. Yeah, bringing in people into the community. Let us do it. Yeah, go out this morning with positive mind. Go out this morning with the right attitude. With the right attitude, we will get the needed referrals that we need, and they will sign up. And guess what? Not only sign up for free, but what? They will also make their monthly program payment and some yearly. Let's go in that full force. Let's go in that zeal. Let us go with the assurance that yes, we are getting there. Yeah, yeah, we are getting there. So this is just a word of encouragement to every one of us this morning. Wow, let us go hard for what we believe in. We believe in TBC. Yeah, we enjoy the Bitcoin bounties. We enjoy the referrals. Let's go all out. Now we can shop. We have over 22,000 merchants across the globe. We can shop with our coins. Yeah, so our Kringles is there. We can use it. So these are the zeal. These are the joy. These are things that are bubbling in our mind, in our spirit. So out this morning, don't relent. Speak to as many people as possible. Yeah, get connected to people. Tell them the beauty. Tell them to come into the abundance. And what? As you do that, you share the abundance. Guess what? Very soon we will get to our destiny. 1 billion membership, and we unlock that abundance in our wallet. Thank you guys. Wish you a good and a pleasant day. Love you all. Don't forget, like, share. God bless you. God bless the TBC community.